Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and comment so we can keep the videos coming. All right, IOTA, igniting bar, ran up to the end of the clear path and then went to new highs. So what are we watching for now? It could not get to our first major GAN cluster area or GAN level before, which was about 1615. We now have a cluster there from this most recent push up between 1612 and 1615. So far we've pulled back to the 12.5% level. We can still pull back more. These are a couple key breakout zones. Let me just mark off what those are here and here. So we're going to be watching for support to come in a turn up here, especially with the rising rotation zone. If we break through these key support levels, the next one is 462, but we're not doing anything till we get a rotation back up, especially since it couldn't get to our first key level of about this 615. So we had some premature selling come in. So we're not being overly aggressive just yet until it can prove it can really get back out of this area and the sellers aren't coming in above here. So we need a pullback and a rotation back up. Let's check it out on the daily chart. Daily chart, so you came out of the rotation zone, pushing up. And so far we have the sellers coming in. So nothing else to do. Again, our next cluster up above are 612 to 615. Then we'll look at 645, then 671 to the upside. Switching over to LITECOIN. LITECOIN also hold the rotation and hold the rotation. Only managed to push up to the 12.5% GAN level projection, just above the 363, 62. Could not get up to our big cluster around 377, 378 before pulling back. So far it is holding the rotation zone. We can also update this retracement level to right here. Already dipped below the 12.5 and held on the bottom of the rotation zone. This is looking a little toppy. So again, we're not being aggressive unless we get a very strong rotation back up. If we do, then we're going to be watching for this about the 378 level, then major resistance around 407. Should this pull back more, minor support coming in at 308, major support coming in about 290. Let's check in on the daily chart, though, to really fine-tune that. So the daily chart, 290 to 294 is going to be very key. Prior breakout zone right here. Let me mark that off. Right there, prior breakout zone, rising 8 EMA. Has not touched the 8 in quite some time. Has not touched the 8 since back on the 11th. So, as I said, this is also looking a little toppy. We're going to be very patient with this. We might get the bigger pullback on the daily time frame, which would take us around this 295 to 300. Let it come in with the 8 and then watch for a reversal pattern or a strong move back up to really get more aggressive with LITECOIN again. So we're sort of in the same boat with LITECOIN and IOTA, just being a little more patient, letting some of these moves play out, letting it digest. It's gone really far, really fast in both these, so we're letting it play out and letting it prove that it wants to really move higher. That's what we have for you tonight. Again, hope you're doing well trading the cryptos. Thanks for all the comments, the support, and we will talk to you soon. Bye for now.